Iran has announced the funeral schedule for its late Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, who was killed in a joint US-Israeli airstrike in February. State media reported that funeral ceremonies would begin in Tehran on July 4th and continue for 3 days. Another ceremony is scheduled in the holy city of Qom on July 7th before Khamenei is buried in his hometown of Mashhad on July 9th. The burial was initially planned for March but was postponed as the conflict involving Iran, the United States and Israel continued. Khamenei, who was 86, led Iran for more than 3 decades after succeeding Ayatollah Khamenei in 1989. Meanwhile, his son and successor Khamenei has remained largely out of public view since the war began. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio recently said Mojtaba appeared to be playing a more active role as talks between Washington and Tehran continue following the April 8 truce.